Anna.
Hi, Lama.
Why should we study psychology?
Well, that's a very good question. Let's get into it.
Do you ever find yourself asking the big questions? For example, what is normal and what is not?
Are we more influenced by our genes or our environment? Do animals and humans communicate in the same way? And how do they?
Why do we obey authority and why don't other people? Why do we change our behavior to suit the public? Should drugs be used to treat mental illnesses? Or is that unethical?
Is our behavior predetermined or do we have some control over it? You will also be learning about the hemispheres of the brain and the structures of the neurons.
Also, about why we have fixed and growth mindsets. Are our minds like a computer? Have you ever walked in a room and forgotten what you went in there for?
All the time.
I know, me too. Psychologists conduct research to answer these sort of questions.
Just like biology, physics and chemistry, we often use a scientific method. But we also have many different approaches to explaining behavior. Psychology.
That's a good question. Psychology leads to so many different career paths. For example, psychiatry,
Economics,
sport,
criminology,
law,
and much more.
Psychology is such a fascinating subject.
Where you'll begin to see yourself differently.
And those around you. What number do you see?
I see a 9.
I see a 6. That's different. Well, we learn about perception in psychology.
In paper 1, some of the topics we learn are memory, perception, development, and research methods.
And in paper 2, we learn social influence, language, thought and communication, brain and neuropsychology, and psychological problems.
At the end of year 11, you will take 2 exams. Each is 1 hour and 45 minutes.